Students, how are you? I hope you're doing well and keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to read chapter Nasruddin's Aim. It is a class 4th chapter. So let's start with the chapter. Nasruddin's Aim. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friend. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery." So what happened one day? One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friend. Why he was chatting with his friend? All the friends were sitting together and they were talking to each other and chatting with each other. He began to boast. What happened, Nasruddin? Nasruddin just boasted out and was telling to everyone that no one can match my skills. Like whatever skill the Nasruddin was having, he was telling that no one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow and take aim and shoot the arrow. So what he does, he just string the bow and take aim and shoot the arrow. He just shoot the arrow. He just focus on his aim and take the string and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit the right on the target. So what happened? The arrow is sure to hit the right on the target. So what Nasruddin was thinking, that I am very expert in shooting the arrow in the right target. So Nasruddin was telling to his friends all friends that the arrow will be surely hit on the right target. Hearing this, one of his friend immediately brought a bow and some arrow. So what happened? After hearing all this thing by Nasruddin, one of his friend bought a bow and arrow. Immediately, one of his friend immediately brought one bow and one arrow. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." So what happened? The friend who brought the bow and arrows has handed over to all the things to Nasruddin. And what his friend told, that he said that Nasruddin, take this bow and arrow. Then pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Then what his friend told, that take this bow and arrow and shoot towards the target and aim at the target and shoot an arrow on that target. Next page, come to the next page. Nasruddin held the bow in his hand, string it, aimed at the target and shoot an arrow. So what happened? He just focused on the target and he was just aiming at the target and he just shoot the arrow. Whoo! The arrow did not hit the target. What happened? The arrow, in first time the arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. So what happened? Where it went? It went somewhere in the middle. So everyone there, the friends of Nasruddin started laughing. Ha 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 ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" So what they started telling to Nasruddin, that this is your aim. This is the way you shoot the target by the arrow. So they started making joke of Nasruddin. "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. So what did Nasruddin said? That no, not at all, and he was just going on explaining himself in front of his friend. "This was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." So what reason he gave? He gave that one of his friends' name was Azad. So he told that it was not my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. So what happened? Then after some time, Nasruddin picked up the other arrow. Once again he strings the bow, aimed at the target and shoot the arrow. Then again he shooted he shoots the arrow. Then once again, this time also the arrow fell little further from where had fallen before. So where the first arrow has been fallen, little bit further, the second arrow has fallen. Again Nasruddin failed. But it is certainly did not hit the target. As I have told you before also, again Nasruddin failed. It did not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow. Then again his friends started asking that this is your target. You have again failed. It. So his friends were going on telling that Nasruddin, you are just joking, that you don't know to shoot an arrow. So their friends were making joke of Nasruddin. Of course not, argued Nasruddin. So then what happened? Nasruddin started arguing with his friend. Even this aim was not mine, it was chief guard's aim. So then again he blamed whom? The chief guard. He started telling that it is not my aim, it was chief guard's aim. Now somebody remarked, well, now who's next on the list? So then again the Nasruddin friends were thinking that who is on the next list. They were thinking that the two friends name has been already taken by the Nasruddin. Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. So after hearing this, what happened? That the Nasruddin's friends started laughing and started making joke of Nasruddin. Nasruddin did not say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. Then again he tried, and he again picked up the arrow. Then and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. So what happened? This time the arrow hit the correct target, the right target. The arrow hit the right on the target, and Nasruddin was so happy about this. Everybody stared at Nasruddin. Everyone started looking at Nasruddin, their mouths grabs in the amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said trumpetly that did you see that? It was my aim. So now, as you know, that Nasruddin was so happy that I have hit on the right target. As everyone was trying to speak, but Nasruddin before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin started telling that this was my aim. So students, this is about the chapter, students. Now we'll go to the book exercise, like word meanings. Are the word meanings. Chatting means to talk in a friendly way. We usually talk to our friends in a friendly way. Archery, shooting with a bow and an arrow. String, a thread that can be twisted. Target, the aim of an attack. Defending, to protect from the harm or danger. Amazement, a feeling of great surprise or wonder. Trumpetly, having achieved victory. You achieve anything, so that is known as trumpetly. So what did the Nasruddin boast about? Nasruddin boasted about his excellent skill in archery. Why did Nasruddin take someone else's name each time he missed the target? Why he going on name someone else each time he missed the target? Nasruddin took someone else's name each time he missed the target so as to hide himself from the shame of not being able to aim the target. The third question, why did Nasruddin say it was my aim? The third time Nasruddin said it because it was my aim. The third time because finally he was by then and able to aim the target successfully. At last he was, obviously, he had hit the arrow in the right target. Do you think Nasruddin was good at archery? No, we all think he was not good at archery. So thank you students, this was about this chapter. So go through the video thoroughly. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you students, have a nice day.